Hello and welcome to Crunchy Kids TV's 5th episode on how to draw. This is a mystery episode and we're not going to be drawing a sky lantern today, but a cartoon wolf. You're going to need a HB or B pencil, a grey colouring pencil, a dark blue colouring pencil and a light blue colouring pencil. And we're going to start by drawing the head, which is just an easy shape, like a circle. Once you've done that, we're going to start on the ears. So, on one side of the head, start to curve across and then down on both sides. You want big ears because it's a cute cartoon one. Then, coming from either ear, draw 2 lines coming closer to each other, and then a large nose. On the nose, we're going to be drawing its cute black little nose and the mouth, but you'll need it to be quite big as you've got to fit both on there. You want to draw a slanted shape coming inwards, almost completely together, but then go downwards, and after that curve outwards on either side and up, and that is the smile. If you want to elaborate it on it even more, and for the eyes, you want really big eyeballs, and then big irises, and shade that in black. Both eyes. Then you want to shade in the nose and the mouth. And then elaborate on the head even more to make it look more cute. For the ears, just to make them look a little bit more 3D, just add that bottom part, and then we can start on the body. It has a very small body, so you want to come down and then one little leg and curve to do the other. Come down and then come out on either side. The tail will go on one side, and then you want to start drawing lines. Curve these in a bit, and then where it is curved in, draw a vertical line downwards on this part of the legs, curve around it, and then do a couple more lines on that part. Now, if you want, just make the eyes slightly bigger. You're supposed to make it as cartoon as possible. And now if it's gone disproportionate like mine has, then either change the position or make the eyes larger. Point it up slightly at the top. And now we can start colouring in. A grey colouring pencil is needed first, and use that to just shade in part of the wolf. Where the lines are. Then the lines from the ears, and after that the outer part of the back paws. Then you want to colour in the vertical part of the leg, and the entire tail wants to be grey. Give it a little more detail by going around the other side of the ear. And then we can move on to doing the eyes. You want to do this in the dark blue and go lightly around the outer part of each one. Then go around it again. And after that, using your pencil, just dot around it. Elaborate on it slightly more, make it more realistic. Make the head shape cuter. and then rub the line out in the middle. As that part is part of a head. For the ears, just a couple of line marks. And now just a couple of lines to show it's fur. But just do this lightly. Make the nose part larger and then shade in the bottom part as if it's outlined. Then very lightly go over it with a rubber and around the head again, if you want to. I think doing that, it is safe to say that this mystery episode of how to draw a cute wolf is complete. See you in episode 6.